ahead will be buzzing with corporate earnings announcements after Pepsi, JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo, among others, kicked the season into higher gear this past week. In the week ahead, we'll be hearing from other big U.S. banks, including Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley, as well as tech companies and online retailers such as eBay, IBM, and Netflix. Analysts generally look for eBay to earn about 51 cents a share in the second quarter, decent rise from the same year-ago period. The online retailer had sold an estimated $1.1 billion of its holdings in Flipkart in early May, ending its strategic relationship with the Indian shopping giant after Walmart agreed to acquire a 77% stake in the e-commerce company for around $16 billion. eBay said it expects neutral growth of around 6 to 8% in the second quarter and anticipates around $11 billion in net revenue for the full year. Investors awaiting eBay's earnings Wednesday will first receive a report on retail sales for June at the start of the week. Retail sales had once again hit a high note in May, which further fueled market expectations that the U.S.'s strong labor market, upbeat consumer confidence, and tax cuts may translate into a turnaround in economic growth in the second quarter. Analysts at NASDAQ noted that America went shopping in May, which marked the biggest increase in 6 months and double expectations. Also in the week ahead, there will be fresh industrial production figures on Tuesday, followed by housing starts and a status report on petroleum inventories from the EIA on Wednesday. On Thursday, we'll see weekly jobless claims, as well as the Philadelphia Fed's Business Outlook Survey. Meanwhile, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will testify before Senate and House panels on the central bank's semi-annual report. This will be Powell's second congressional testimony after assuming the role as the new Fed chief in February, and may provide further clues about the direction of monetary policy ahead of the FOMC's two-day meeting beginning July 31st. In the meantime, Powell's two-day speech before Congress ends on the same day the Fed is scheduled to release its latest beige book. Visit the IBKR Trader Workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.